Alrighty guys, what is up? So in today's video, me and Pi are going to be going through the ultimate content generator. I am completely out of ideas to do for Fortnite in this chapter 2, season 2 I guess. So we're going to go ahead, do some challenges on here, see if we can complete them and go ahead. So we're going to go through, set up our first challenges. We don't want IRL, don't want hard because I'm a potato. We want 2 challenge, and let's do include
and physically.
Boy. And we want to include video challenges as well. So we'll go ahead. Every time you eliminate someone, you must emote over them for at least 10 seconds. After 2 minutes of game time, you can only step on player-made structures and get 6+ eliminations. You think that's possible?
Yes.
Yeah, so just to recap, after we kill someone, we have to emote for at least 10 seconds. And then after 2 minutes of game time, we can only step on player-made structures, and we have to get 6 elims.
So pretty much, the second that the storm starts coming in, we need to get on a player build structure.
Yeah. So we're gonna go from 2 minutes when the bus stops. So starting now, we have 2 minutes. Yeah, we've got 2 minutes.
I'm gonna get a gun right away.
Yeah, just go straight for mats because we can walk around on mats and going. So there is someone here, it looks like.
Well, we already have a minute now.
Yeah.
Oh God! No way! I just got a purple tag first chest.
Nice.
My luck is insane. I might need backup, Cody.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Yeah, because there's a duo. Ah! Just do 20 seconds if I do.
Nope. Oh.
Oh.
Well, we see how that went.
So bad. I love Mom Please. I love that name.
Oh yeah. So how do we want to do that if we're in the middle of a fight? Like.
I say if it's a duo, then we just do 20 seconds. We just do the time.
Alright, I'm low on health. I'm gonna need help. I don't have anything.
Are you fighting someone?
Yeah, he's right here in this bush. Yeah, I don't have anything.
Came to me. Time for Pi to carry. Oh, you have a shoddy, sir. Spray and pray, sir. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, we've only got 17 seconds, so we're gonna need to hurry up on mats.
7, 8.
Alright, 10 seconds left before we can only be on player built structures.
Let's go.
Alrighty, and go.
I accidentally left. Okay, just make sure if you see a player, make sure to build a ramp right below you. Doing the Floor's Lava challenge.
Essentially what this is.
Oh, peeps. So that bot can just chill there. No bot. Oh my God! I just got beamed.
I got him.
Look at that make it. Get shot out. peeps.
Woo!
I got you. Careful of the rocket. Ah. I'm good. Oh, never mind. 5 HP.
Knocked one.
Okay.
Got him.
Oh my god, Cody, look at my HP.
It's close.
Got a med kit, thank god.
These guys had some hella good loot. Let's go. I've got a med kit right here too if you need it.
No, I'm fine. Did they fuel you up on mats?
Oh yeah, I got max wood, max stone, and half metal. People, this is right over here.
Careful. Llama! Shot a rocket as a warning message. Yeah, go get that slurp truck. It'll get you to full shields. I got you covered.
Watch his buddy on the back up here.
Magnum shield. 88 to be exact. Oh, we gotta push.
Hold on.
Going to spawn for it.
Okay. Look out. I'm just gonna blow it up.
What's this? Full game remove! Okay. Oh, oh shoot! It does Vortic. Yeah, I didn't realize that it does Vortic.
It's okay.
I can run back. No, I can run back in there. There's a med kit. Yeah, I just didn't know it does Vortic.
Okay. We don't have much time though. We've only got 30 seconds for the zone moves.
Okay. Got it. And then it does 6 tick. I'm sorry, Cody. I feel so bad.
It's okay. We're just gonna have to boogie.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm at full shield. I just need to take this med kit. Yeah, I can pop this med kit inside. Please don't snipe me. Please don't snipe me. Please don't snipe me. Please don't snipe me. Let's go. I'm so sad I wasn't able to get like those mats.
Yeah, it's all good. There's a giant build battle going on, which I'm pretty sure are the last people.
Yeah.
Take over on mats.
Oh, yep, they're last. I have nothing, Cody.
You have no mats?
Yes, that's why I went for that llama.
Just build kind of sparingly. I think it's... Oh, it's a 2v1. It's a 2v1, Tim.
Yes! Okay, shoot a rocket.
Ooh.
Oh, he's dead.
There we go, Tim. First try. What up? I didn't touch the ground. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh.
Wait, you gotta dance on him. We gotta dance on him.
No!
I got it for you. Dude,
we failed the challenge. We have to start over again.
I'm taking that as a win. First round, we're taking that as